Now you have a basic understanding of conditional statements, and you can start adding more depths and layers to your programs. One thing I'm going to point out and really stress is that the outcome for a conditional statement, no matter how complicated it might be, is either yes or no, or in programming we call this true or false. Let's talk a little bit about equality operators. Now I showed you the triple equals conditional operator, but there are many more we can use, and here are some examples. Like always, check the external links for reference in regards to this. Let's take a look at some live examples of a few equality operators in action. Try to guess what they mean and think of some unique ways you can use them in your programs. Are they true, or is the outcome false? For this example, 5 is less than 6, therefore the condition is true. In this one, 5 does not equal 6, therefore the condition is false. In this case, the triple equals operator means that the number must be the same as well as the type. Since here we're displaying a 6 string and a 6 integer, this is actually considered false. In this example, we have a 7 that is either greater or equal to 5. In our case, 7 is greater than 5, so the condition is true. One thing to note is that a number is always less than a letter, and when you compare two words together, JavaScript will take the first letters of the two words and use the alphabet to rank them as being less or greater than each other. When it comes to the equal operator, the double equals is slightly different than the triple. The main difference is that the double equals will allow a string and an integer to be true, while the triple operator will need to have matching values and matching types as well. Generally speaking, most people will use the triple operator just because it is more precise. Well, that's pretty much it for this lesson. Try experimenting with different types of equality operators in your programs so that you can get a better feel for how they work.